Torrential rains, hurricanes, snow and ice, floods. When disaster strikes, it's essential to act quickly. Whether you're in charge of documents and archives for your company, or a subcontractor acting as a first responder on a restoration contract, you need to get drying solutions in place quickly, so valuable items won't be lost forever. But disaster isn't just about documents. Emergency response is also about property damage control to structures like construction sites, schools, libraries, manufacturing plants, hospitals, government facilities, and more. Polygon Group can help. The climate control experts at Polygon allow you to respond quickly to damage from water or other emergencies. We can act as a subcontractor or rent you a number of document recovery solutions such as vacuum freeze drying, desiccant air drying, cleaning and sterilization, or digital imaging capture. Polygon is your trusted partner to handle a wide variety of situations, from archives to building dryouts. When disaster strikes, you need to respond quickly. You need to call Polygon.